Victory and the rope. Early Lady is taken by Iwo Jima. Sweet Victory on the outside. Hello, hello. And Papi's Diamond, the father outside. Silver Ridge, the Mansuria, and Temptress is bringing up the rear. At the mid backstretch, Iwo Jima, Papi's Diamond, hello, hello. Sweet Victory, Silver Ridge, Temptress. And at the pattern, it's still Iwo Jima in the lead, followed by Papi's Diamond on the outside in second. Hello, hello. Running in third by 2.5 lengths. Sweet Victory. Silver Ridge moving up on the inside. Entry number 1, Temptress and the Mansuria. The last bend for home, it is still entry number 3, Iwo Jima, followed by Papi's Diamond. And moving up on the inside is Silver Ridge. Hello, hello. On the paddle outside is Sweet Victory. Into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Iwo Jima in the lead, followed by Silver Ridge by the rail. And Sweet Victory on the paddle outside, Papi's Diamond. And finally at the payoff line, it's Iwo Jima with Jetril Tagulaw Zarate, Sweet Victory, Silver Ridge, Papi's Diamond, Temptress, the Mansuria, and